Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Von Keith the Barber. We are back at it this week with another video. This week my client is getting the even all over with the waves. Now my client is very sleepy, and with my therapeutic services it doesn't make it any better, but we're still going to get through this cut. Now my client's hair is very soft, so I'm going to start off by using my Wall Magic Clips 1.5 guard close, because I do not want to cut all of these waves off. Barbers or anyone else who wants to cut hair, please make sure when you're cutting someone's hair that you're going with the grain, not against, especially on a waver. To a waver, that is so disrespectful. Now I'm just taking my Andes Masters #1 guard close, and I'm tapering the edges of his head. Now I have a #1 guard because his hair is softer. On some of my clients I may use a 0 guard, so it really just depends on your client's hair texture. Now with this tapering method, it's just making it easier for my wall heroes to come in and give my client that crispy hairline that he deserves. Now if you're looking for more beard growth or just a better looking beard period, one of my techniques that I use is by taking a beard oil and a beard butter and massaging it into my client's beard, and then by following up I just take a beard comb just to comb out the beard to give it that more defined and full look. Now I love giving all of my clients a crispy tape line, so one of the methods that I like to use is just by simply taking some soap, brushing it across the tape line, let it sit for a little minute, then follow up by taking a hot steam towel, applying it to the forehead just to get all the extra hair off and just to also tighten up the skin. Now all I'm doing is just taking my razor and getting all the excess hair off of the forehead, and also giving my client like a pre-lineup per se right before I grab my trimmers. Oh yes, my favorite trimmer of them all. Gotta give it to the Wall Heroes, man. They're specialized with a TY gold blade that was made for me by the hair tailor. His website link will be in my description. Please go check him out. I guarantee you need a pair of his blades. What? There goes my client, nodding off. Making my job a lot harder, but I'm still trying to keep him crispy. Now right here, I'm just applying some Kiss Expressions semi-permanent jet black hair dye to my client's hair. Now I'm starting off midway from the scalp just to make sure I'm not missing any little light spots, I guess, because I want to make sure his hair looks as natural as possible, especially when he steps out into the daylight. Oh, and another pet peeve of mine is people overusing the sauce, quote unquote. That is a barber #1 rule. Please do not overuse the sauce. That's why people don't like it. Now I'm just taking my brush and I'm brushing in the Kiss Expressions hair dye just to make sure my client's hair looks a lot more natural rather than too dark. Now in the mix of me adding hair fibers to my clients, I made sure I added that base coat of holding spray just so that the hair fibers can stick. And then after I add the hair fibers, I make sure I hit my clients with an extra crispy line just to get all the excess hair off of his forehead. And then I add another base coat of holding spray to my client's hair just so the hair fibers don't come out so easily. Oh yes, look at that crispy tape line. Barbers, please make sure you have a blow dryer on hand that's set on cool. Why? Because you just took your hitters and you just hit your client with that crispy tape line. On top of that, you took the holding spray and you just sprayed it on top of the hair fiber just to make sure they didn't fall off. Now, right when you spray them, they're going to be like, whoa, that stings. Please don't get any bad ideas saying, oh yeah, for a client that try me up that I don't like, I'm going to let it sit there for a minute. No, that is not the right thing to do. Please grab that blow dryer and please cool their forehead off because we need less petty people in this world. Yep, there it goes, that magic pencil. I love using it. I'm a huge fan of it. Why? Because when my client wants to grow his beard out, I'm not going too far into his beard and I'm trying to avoid fish hooks. So I just give it that crispy outline right before I line it up really good, just to make it still look a lot more defined. Oh man, he's trying to hold it. Oh. Now I'm just taking my comb and I'm combing through my client's beard just to give it that definition, but it's also looking natural at the same time. Now the tool that I'm using right now is called the Hot Pick Comb. I picked it up from my boy Yusuf the barber at one of the hair shows that I was at. Man, it's very handy, it's very useful. What it does is it's taking all those dead hairs, all those loose ends out of my client's beard, and it's just picking them all the way out. Now I advise barbers to get this tool just so you don't go too far into your client's beards, especially the ones that's really trying to grow the beard out really full and really big. Snip, 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 snip. And there you have it, the cherry on top. You see those fingers moving? Come on, man, we stepping our game up in 2018. Please make sure you're scissoring all of your clients after every cut, even when you don't feel like it, because I guarantee your clients are always appreciating the smallest things that you do for them. That's what stands out the most. hold his head up for the final spin around. But man, I hope you liked this video. Matter of fact, I hope that you love it. So thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the cut. My client was a little sleepy, so please bear with me. I might as well say this is the sleeping client challenge. You know what I'm saying? I did the best I can. I hope you liked the cut. Please rate it. Please comment. Please like and subscribe.
Do that.
Peace.